Clean what?
Look.
Take it out.
She's what?
You have to clean it out.
I was like 3 last. Okay, I was like
Pumpkin
5.
bath.
Put it in the bucket.
Can somebody scoot the bucket a little closer to me?
Just wait a minute.
Look.
Put it in the bucket.
Pumpkin. That's right.
Gonna move right here.
Yeah, that's a better spot. There you go.
It's hard work, huh?
Maggie's like, what's gonna drop? What's gonna drop?
You should go get Zoe, man. Zoe.
She's right here.
Is that like a
Dying cat. Earlier she was outside and she was like, when she was trying to get Maggie to come to her, she's like,
That's how they come to me.
anyway, they come to you because they think you're
Where are you
hurting.
going?
They come to you when you do that because they think you're dying. That sure sounds
Maggie's over here. Maggie's over here. Where are you going?
like terrible.
That's it.
Can I use a Carver ticket? No.
Oh,
I used too much strength.
So strong.
what'd you do?
Broke his spoon.
You broke what spoon?
I need
The metal one? Oh, that one.
Yeah, she broke the metal spoon, Mom.
Well, she could bend it. Stick your hand in there, Chase.
I remember
Touch it.
someone bent it last year.
Touch it.
I think that was you, Dad.
This
You
is
went,
him touching the pumpkin.
Yeah, he's got his hand on the other side.
He's touching it.
He's like, you said touch it. Chase.
Stick his hand out and then like, boy.
Fell on the boy.
Chase.
Oh, on the drawing.
Somebody could make a throwing up pumpkin where this stuff is coming out of
Someone did that. I saw it on Instagram.
Mm.
it.
Chase.
Alright.
Eat it.
Brayden, don't freak him out. What? Maylene, you want her to save you? Maylene's messy. It's okay.
Look, Chase.
It gets to a certain point where the spoon doesn't do anything anymore.
You gotta get the other small spoon, scrape the crap out of the inside.
That's what he was using.